Hey guys, welcome back to my next tutorial series about bun. In this episode we are adding cores and SQlite to our bun HTTP project. If you have not set up the HTTP project, then make sure to watch the video I uploaded before. So let's get started. We need to run bun at Alicia.js cores that we do not get any errors and enable the cores. Then we can again go inside of our index.ts and import the cores from the cores. Then we under this we say that it's using the cores. And basically this is just allowing us that we can talk from other applications. So now we are going to add the database from bun, which is already inside of bun. So we say import database from bun SQlite. Like I said, this is already inside of bun. You don't need to install anything. Then we can initiate and instantiate the database. It's like a new database. My db.sqlite create true. So here we are going to tell it the name, how it should save it. You can see it here. We say file name, and then in the end we say that it can create the file if it's not already there, so we don't need to do this. And then let's write a simple query. If not exist, we want messages route with an ID as an integer, primary key, and auto increment. And then we say that the message and text text like this. And this one. Oh, we remove. I think this is the wrong way. Like this, yeah. And uppercase goes. And we can say after this one, we can say closing bracket dot run. So we run this query. And then we can here we can go inside of this and open it up. And we give it a context. And there we can create a query to select all the messages we have created. So we can say query from messages. So like this. And result equals query all. Then we can say console log it out and also get the context that status 200 that it's okay, and this is wrong. This, and then we want to return new response person.stringify and destructure the object in messages result, open it up, give it the header that is in JSON file, and return. This. So here in this get, we are just getting all the messages we are posting inside of it. And now, because I said posting, what a coincidence, we write a post, but we need to add, and we want to write a body for it, like this. Open it up. Message body. So we're just looking if the message is there. Close this first. And log message. This error we ignore. Query. Like this. Into messages value, and then we can again run the query. And we want to return new response. Again in a JSON format, because the web is talking like this. And here we say body e dot object message string. I need to close this first. Then we say body, and here we define the body. And to use this T, we can go here and say T. This is just something. Like this. Now we define the body structure of it with saying this here. And this is basically outside of this function. That's why it was looking so weird. And now we have basically created our database. If we now go back and run dev again, and then we create a post, like this. We send it up, we get a response that it's successful. Then we can curl the localhost 3000 again, and we can see our message here. So if we say, for example, here the message is, hello YouTube, it is successful, we can curl it again, and we have a next entry here. Yes, and where to go from now on? I would say you can now try to delete something from the database. So remember that there is not only the app get and the app post, there's also something like app delete. With this you could delete it via the index, and you can also update the entry and change, for example, the hello YouTube to hello world. Yes, and again, you will find every code and every comment inside of my GitHub repository. And for more tutorials, please subscribe and activate the bell. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.